One fun and useful aspect of PowerView in Excel 2013 is its integration with Bing Maps, a Microsoft mapping service. In this movie, I will show you how to use geographic data that you might have in a PowerView table in a map control on your PowerView sheets. I will use the map workbook, which you can find in the Chapter 12 folder of your sample files archive. This table contains a list of states and the number of orders from each of those states. I'd like to create a map so that I can get a visual representation of how those sales are distributed. To do that, I click the table, and then on the Design tab, I click the Map button. Doing so creates a map control on my PowerView sheet. The first time you create a map inside of PowerView, Excel will display a message box just above the PowerView sheet and below the ribbon, indicating that you have to enable a connection to Bing Maps so that it can geocode the data. I've already done that once, so the message didn't appear for me. If it does, all you need to do is click the Enable button, and you'll keep on working. My map appears in my PowerView sheet. I can resize my map control by dragging any of the handles, and you can see that I was zooming in as I was resizing the control. To change the zoom level inside the control, I just move the mouse pointer over the control, and I can either use the zoom out or zoom in buttons. So if I zoom in, I get more detail. If I zoom out, I get less. I can also pan using the pan control here. So I can pan up, I can pan down, pan right, pan left, and so on. I can also control the zoom level using the scroll wheel on my mouse. So if I scroll up, I zoom in, and if I scroll down, then I zoom out. The blue circles in each of the states indicates the relative number of orders. So for example, California had the most by far, and a state such as Arizona had less, and Idaho had fewer still. You can work with the map control by itself if you click the Pop Out button at the top right corner of the control. Doing so expands the map control so it fits the entire sheet, and when you're ready to take it back to its regular size, just click the Pop In button and it returns. Maps are terrific for helping you visualize data, and this is actually my favorite feature in PowerView. The integration of Bing Maps with Excel 2013 gives you great new ways to summarize your data visually in PowerView.